Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to use the DAVERAGE function in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let me show you what is in the data and what is the requirement here. In this Excel sheet, I have a sales data for the month of May 2026 that has the sales invoice number, date of invoice, sales representative, item name, and the quantity sold. Based on this data, here the requirement is to calculate average sales per invoice based on this condition, like the sales representative selected from this drop down and the item name selected from this drop down. Here if I change the sales representative to a different one, the average automatically changes, and here if I select the item name to a different one, the average automatically updates. In this case, to calculate the average sales based on condition, we can use the DAVERAGE function. Here in this cell, you can see the DAVERAGE function is already used. So let me delete this from here, then show you how to use the formula here. Press equal to in the cell, then put the DAVERAGE function. You can select this DAVERAGE function by double clicking. In this function, there are three arguments that are the database, field, and criteria. In the database, we have to provide the data source. And here this data source is in table format, so I can put the name of the table, that is sales data table. So here let me put sales. Here you can see the table name is given. Double click on this table name. If the data is not in table, then you can select this data manually. Here we have to select the whole table including the column headers. So open here a square bracket, then double click on this all option, which will select the table including the column headers. Close the square bracket, then put a comma. In the field parameter, we have to put from which column of the data source we want the average. That is the column number 5. This sales quantity is in the 5th column of this source data. So here in the field, put 5. Then put a comma. In the criteria, we have to select this criteria range, that is the sales representative and item. Now close bracket, press enter, and here you can see the result is given as 7. This is the average sales per invoice for this item mixer grinder sold by the sales representative Deepak. Now if you change this sales representative from the list, the average automatically updates, and if you change the item name from the list, the average automatically updates. So this is how you can use the DAVERAGE function in Microsoft Excel to calculate the average based on condition. If you want to practice this formula, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.